Well, you guys, today we're taking a look at how to enable private web browsing on Windows 11. For improved online privacy and security, Windows 11 lets you use a DNS over HTTPS, DOH for short. This will allow you to encrypt the DNS requests your computer makes when you're browsing the internet. So let's take a look at how we can set this up. So let's go to the Start button and go to Settings here. Inside Settings, we're going to go to Network and Internet. So once you click on this one, this will open up another window, which will give you a couple of choices, whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. We're going to go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi one here, but if you want to do both of these, you can do. So let's open up the Wi-Fi connection here. And from here, we're going to go to Hardware Properties. Inside Hardware Properties, you need to click on this. And this is where we can now change our DNS server. There's quite a few to choose from, and there's probably more to choose from if you do a bit of research. But I'll leave those posted up on the screen here. We're going to go into DNS Server Assignment, and from here you can see that it's set to Automatic DHCP. Set this to Manual, and now we get the option to change the IP version 4 and the IP version 6. So let's go ahead and we're going to change both of these just in case one of you are using IP version 4 or whether you're using IP version 6. So from here, we need to change the DNS over HTTPS. I'm going to change this on automatic template. Once you've done this, we need to do that for the other versions as well. So let's go ahead, and what we'll do here is we're going to use one of these free DNS servers, and we're going to use Cloudflare here. So that's 1.1.1.1, and the alternative DNS is going to be this one right here, 1.0.0.1. And once we've done that, we need to change the DNS over HTTPS to automatic template there as well. And that is for IP version 4. So what happens if you want to change it for IP version 6? You'll need to toggle this one on if you're using this one. Now the IP version 6 uses a slightly different DNS server address, so we need to change these. So first let me go to DNS over HTTPS and put this on template, automatic template here for both of these. And for the preferred DNS, we need to put in this number right here. You can find all of this information out on their website, and you can use different DNS servers if you want to, but you need to put in here 2606:4700 and then :4700 and then double colon here, and then we need to put in the actual number here, which is 1111, and you should see the HTTPS Cloudflare DNS.com link on the bottom there appear. So let's go ahead and change the alternative DNS, and again we need to put in a different number address here. So this one is 2606:4700, and then we're going to go :4700 and then double colon here, and the end address would be 1001. And once you've done that, you can save these settings, and you've just changed your DNS server. Now remember, we're on a Wi-Fi connection here as well. If you wanted to change this for Ethernet as well, you would need to go into the Ethernet settings and change that inside there as well, and have these identical if you wanted to use the same DNS servers. You can see now we do have the information right here. It's telling us that the DNS server is now encrypted right here, and we also have the IP version 6 DNS servers encrypted as well. This is for Wi-Fi only. If you're using an Ethernet connection, this will not be using these DNS servers. You will need to change those physically yourself to this. So you can do a quick check here on their website, and it's telling us that we are connected to 1.1.1.1, and it says yes, and using DNS over HTTPS DOH, and you can see there it says yes. And you may see no on a couple of these, and that's because we haven't done this for the Ethernet connection. But basically, we are connected to the 1.1.1.1 and the 1.0.0.1. So that is basically how you can set those up. And again, like I said, if you wanted to set this up for your Ethernet connection, you would have to go into your Ethernet connection right here and go through the same process, come down here, and you would click on the option right here. So every time you visit a website using a domain name such as, say, google.com, for example, your computer sends a request to a domain name system, which is DNS server. And basically the DNS server takes that domain name and looks up for a matching IP address from the list. It then sends that IP address back to your computer, which your computer then uses to connect to that site. The domain name fetching this process traditionally happened unencrypted. And basically what we've done here is now encrypted that connection by using the free DNS server, which is now set to using DNS over HTTPS. So you can see here we are using a much more secure and private DNS server. It's that simple. So if you want to set this up yourself, you can do. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. And you can use other DNS servers if you wish, like Google DNS, you've got Cloudflare, you've got Quad9. There's a bunch of different ones you can do if you want to. So that's basically how you would set up a much more secure and free encrypted DNS for more privacy and security. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I shall catch you in the very next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.